Hello student, welcome to our mathematics class for classes 5 and 6. And today we are going to study about the topic from algebra is constant and variable. Constant and variable. Here constant and variable, what does that mean? Constant means having fixed value, having only one value, and variable having more than one. For example, the highest peak of the world, only one, or the student who have got the highest mark in your class, only one. And variable means more than one value, just like natural number less than 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So having only one value is constant, having more than one value is called variable. In constant, the letter or number are said to be constant if they have only one value, they have fixed value. Here constant, the numbers 1, 2, 3 like this. These numbers always represent these numbers 1, 2, 3 like that always represents the fixed value, which means only one value. Fixed means having only one, always represent fixed value. Sometimes letter also represent fixed value, just like my age is X years and here X is 25, so it means what? My age is 25 years. Or X represent, suppose here X represent the highest peak of the world, the highest peak of the world. Here this X, what does this X represents? The highest peak of the world. The how many highest peak of the world? There is only one, highest. So here X means here the Mount Everest. Having only one value. The Mount Everest having only one value, fixed value. It can't be changed. So it means this X is what here? Constant. Here X is a letter, but it represents only one value. If the letter has only one value, then that time this letter is also called what? Constant. Number is already constant because it shows only fixed value. 2, that means only 2. 5, that means only 5. But here letter also represents sometimes a fixed value. Then that time that letter is called constant. Okay. X represents the number of fingers in your hand. In my hand 10 fingers. So here X means what? 10. So this is constant here. So this means here X is constant. So X, Y, Z also shows constant value or is a constant when they have only one value or they have fixed value. But when sometimes X has many value or the variable has many value, sometimes Y has many value, so more than one value, then that is called variable. If only one value, then that time constant. More than one value, then that is variable. Here X represent the sum of 6 and 4. X represents here the sum of 6 and 4. So x is equal to what? 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. So the value of x is 10, only one value. So here x is what? Constant. Therefore x is constant. If x represents less than 5, x represents the natural number less than 5, then x is equal to what? What does x represents? Natural number less than 5. So these are the natural number less than 5. So what is the value of x? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Not only 1 or only 2 or only 3 or only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 value. But here it has only one value. So when the variable has more than one value, then that time that variable is called variable. That letter is called variable. When the letter has many value, then that time that letter is called variable. When the letter has only one value, then that time that is called constant. That letter is called constant. So for constant we use number. For variable we use letter like x, y, z, a, b, c, like this. Or for constant we use numbers. Now we have algebraic term. Here term of mathematics means the letter or the number. Here algebraic terms, so here the product form. The product form of constant and variable. The product form of constant and variable. Constant and variable means the letter and the number. Number and letter. The product form of constant and variable, that is number and letter, is called term. Is called an algebraic term. Suppose this is number which shows constant value and here is a letter. So 2x, and this 2x is called an algebraic term, or 3a or 2ab or 3x square y or 2a square, 3y cube, 3y square, like this. These all are what? Algebraic term. Product form of constant and variable. Constant and variable. The product form of constant and variable, that is letter and number, is called an algebraic term. Here in a term there is a letter, number, sometimes power also. So in algebraic term there is a number. This number is called coefficient of y. This y is called base, and the number at the right to the top of base is called its power. This number is at the right of the base at the top, so this number is what? Power here. Product form of what? Constant. Product form of constant and variable, that is number and letter, is called an algebraic term. Here 2x, 3a, 2ab or 3x square, like this, constant and variable, these are the algebraic term where they have letter and the number, and that is constant and variable. Now in a term 3x square, in this term 3x square, here this 3 is a number, this x is a letter, and here 2 is the power. So what does this letter represents? In an algebraic term, what does this letter means? What does this number means? So here this 3 is the coefficient, this letter is called base, and the number which is right to the base and at the top is power, which is also called exponent, power or exponent. This number is called coefficient, the letter is called base, and the number at the right to the top of base is power or exponent. These are the part of algebraic term. In an algebraic term, there is a coefficient, base, and power or exponent. So if a term only x, then what is the coefficient? Here only x. This means what? 1x. So 1 is no need to write here. 1x means x. So here 1 is what? Coefficient. Here coefficient is 1. Base is 1. And the power is, if the letter has power 1, then only that should be written there. If the power is 0, then that letter is not there. It has power 1, so that's why it is x. So it has power what? 1. If the letter has no power showing there, then that means it has power 1. Simply y, its power 1. Y squared, its power 2. Y cube, its power 3. Y to the power 4, then its power 4. Only y, then that means it has power 1. If the letter has power 1, then 1 no need to write there. 1 should not written there. If power 2, then 2 is there. 3, then 3 is also there. 4, then power 4 is there. But power 1, then only y should be there. If power 0, then no letter. If into x, if its power is x, then only 2 is there. Because the letter having power 0 should not be written there. So algebraic term means what? The letter and the number product form. And in an algebraic term there is a coefficient, base and power. Now algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, do you know about the term? Here two terms, 2x and we have 3y. We have 2x and 3y. If you combine them, 2x plus 3y, we have combined them 2x and 3y with plus sign. Sometimes we can combine them by minus, or sometimes by product also, by multiplication sign, sometimes by division sign. So here we are connected them, we are combined them by plus, minus, multiply or divide. What are these? Plus, minus, multiply and this divide, or this is also like this, 2x divide 3y. We have connected them, combined them by these signs, plus, minus, multiply, divide. Here these signs are what? What they are called? They are the mathematical operator. mathematical operator means the four signs plus, minus, multiply, divide. If the terms are connected by other terms with this sign, then they are called expression. When the terms are connected by these signs, either any one or maybe the all. So when the terms are connected by these signs, then that time that is called expression. So here this first, this is expression, these all are expression. Terms are connected by plus or minus or multiply, divide sign. So these are the what? Expression. A minus B, this is the expression. Only 2A, it is also expression. Here 2 and A, two terms are connected by multiply sign. This means 2 multiply A. 3x square, here 3 multiply x square. Here two terms are connected by multiply sign. Sometimes y by 5. This is also an algebraic term. This sense means division, y divided by 5. So here a single term is also called an algebraic expression. This is an also 3a, it is also an algebraic expression having a single term. Here 2a minus b, here two terms. This minus separated the term. Before minus here is a, after minus here is b. So these two terms are connected by this minus sign. So this is a what? Expression having two terms. This is an expression having only one term. This is an expression having two terms. Now we have the expression a plus b minus c. One term, two term, and here three term. How many terms are here? Three terms. Here number of term is 3. We have three terms here. In this we have two terms. This is the expression having two terms. This is the expression having only one term. The sign plus minus can separate the term, and so that we can count them. This plus and minus separated this. If we write this a, b, c, then this is only one term. Okay, a, b, c, this is only one term. But if a plus b minus c, then this expression have three terms. This time it has only one term, but this time it has three terms. So what does that mean? Plus and minus. Here the terms are separated by plus and minus sign. So this sign can separate the terms, but multiplication sign here, a multiply b multiply c. So multiply or division sign are combining the terms. If a multiply b, then it means ab, a single term. Here showing two terms, no, a multiply by b, but no, it has only one term. Multiply and divide can make two terms into one term, but plus and minus only can separate the terms. Multiply and divide, if we have two terms, 2a and 3a. If you use here 2a plus, sorry, we have 3b, 2a and 3b, two terms. If you use them in addition, here 2a and 3b, here separated by plus, 2a minus 3b minus. So here two terms, neither we add them nor subtract them. But if you use multiply, 2a multiply 3b, then it is 6ab, a single term. So it is what? expression having only one term. Here expression having two term, expression having three term, expression having three term. Here also expression two term. Here expression having three terms. So in an expression there is maybe one term, two term, three term, or more than three term also. Three a plus 2b minus 6c plus d, or more than 4 also. Suppose 2z, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Previously there you have seen there 2 terms, 3 terms, 1 term, and here more than 3 terms also, 4 terms, 5 terms, like this. So now the expression are of different types. Sometimes only one term, sometimes 2 terms, 3 terms, 4 terms. So it means what? Expressions has also a type. Expressions have also type. That means according to the number of terms. According to number of term. According to number of term, it has types of expression. According to number of terms, it has type of expression. That means expression sometimes has only one term, sometimes 2 terms, sometimes 3 terms, sometimes it has more than 3 terms also, like here 4 terms. I have written one more terms, so here now 5 terms. So the types are here types of algebraic expression. Types of algebraic expression is the expression having only one term, that 3x, 3a, 2b, 4a, bc. So this type of expression having only one term, single term. So this type of expression is called, having only one term, is called monomial expression. Monomial expression. The expression having only one term, or you can also say that the term itself is called monomial expression. This is a term also, 2x, 3a, 2b, 4a, bc. The term itself is also called a monomial expression. Monomial expression represents only one term. So this time single term is called monomial expression. Here no plus and minus are used. Simply 2z, a single term, it is monomial expression. So this means the expression having only one term is called monomial expression. Number 2, binomial expression. 2a minus b, 3x plus 4y. Count it. How many terms are here? 1, 2. Here also 1, 2. So the terms having two terms, the expression having two terms. The expression having two terms, and we can count them 1, 2, before minus and after minus, before plus and after plus. Here before minus 2a, after minus b, before plus 3x and after plus 4y. So the expression having two terms, and we can count the terms with the help of these signs, after and before. we can count them. So if two terms there in the expression, then that is called binomial expression. The expression having two terms is called binomial expression. The expression having two terms is called binomial expression. Now similarly, trinomial expression. Trinomial expression in a word itself showing the meaning. Trinomial, that means three. Trinomial means three. So having three terms. 3a minus 2x plus y. Here before minus 1, after minus, before minus 3a, after minus 2x, here plus y. So how many terms are here? 3a, 2x, y. 3a, 2x and y are used to make this expression. To make this expression, here 3a, 2x and y, these three terms are used and separated by, combined by plus and minus sign. So this expression containing three terms. Here is other example, 2x minus 4y plus z. This expression also contains three terms. So this type of expression is called trinomial expression. Because of having number of three terms, because of having number of terms 3, this type of expression is called trinomial expression. So if only one term, then which type of expression is this? Monomial. Monomial expression. If we have two terms, 2x plus 3y, 2x minus 3y like this, then it is called binomial expression. If three terms, then x plus y minus z, three terms, then it is trinomial expression. If more than three terms, then what are that called? 1 monomial, 2 binomial, 3 trinomial, and more than three terms, the expression having more than three terms like this, x plus y minus z plus 2d, more than three terms. More than three terms means having 4 term or 5 term or 6 term like this, but there should be more than three terms, 1, 2, 3, up to here trinomial expression, but the expression having more than three terms, here 4 term, maybe here 5 term or 6 term, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, more than 3, either that expression may be having 3 terms after that, 3 terms after that also there is a term, it means 1, 2, 3, after there 2d, e, 6f, more than 3 terms or not. So the expression having more than 3 terms is called polynomial, or we can also say that multinomial, polynomial or multinomial expression. The expression having more than 3 terms is called polynomial expression. So now having only one term, monomial expression, having 2 term, binomial expression, Having 3 term, trinomial expression. Having more than 3 term is polynomial expression. So today we have learned constant and variable. This constant means fixed value, more than one value. Then after